everyone. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix for you. Stitch Fix is a styling service. Pay $20 per fix. They will have a stylist curate 5 items to throw into your box. Keep what you love, send back the rest. I have the Style Pass, so I do not pay that. I pay $49 a year. Whether you do the $20 or if you're entitled to the Style Pass, that money is applied to whatever you decide to keep. So certainly I'm able to keep $49 a year worth of merchandise. So if I have a box where there's nothing I want, it's no cost on me, shipping free both ways, I send it back. They recently opened it up so the stylist will give you 10 items that you can choose from, and you can then pick out which items you want to keep and which ones, you know, if you want to keep 5 out of 10, that's great, they'll ship it off to you. If you don't want to keep any of them, they'll pick 5 new items and they'll send it in your box. I picked 4 items this time. All right, so the first item I kept, as she showed me, all right, was this top by Dear John. First thing I noticed about it, you know, because you see a little picture online, there's only so much you can tell, is that it has the balloon sleeve, right? So I told my stylist I was looking for knit tops, jeans that are looser fitting or colored jeans, something different other than skinnies. And like I was looking for on-trend things like puff sleeves, square necks, etc. So I was excited about the on-trend balloon sleeve. And online, this looked to me like it was yellow and gray. So I thought, oh, the Pantone yellow colors of the year. And I'll come a little closer so you can see the pattern. It's not floral, so it's something other than a floral top. So I was pretty excited to see this. Now that I have it, I'm a little bit disappointed in it. It's very, very, to me, wide, but we'll see how it fits. And very, very thin. And I'll have to see if it's actually see-through when on. So that's one thing that kind of disappointed me about it. And second, it's a yellowy orange. It's not yellow. It's more like an orange. It looked to me like yellow, but it's pretty orangey. And it's also like a gray blue, more blue than gray. So again, online pictures can be deceiving. I will try it on and see how it fits. And if it looks amazing on me, I'll keep it. Other than that, I think it's gonna go back, okay? So this was the Dear John Harmonee balloon sleeve knit top, size extra small, and it's $54. So it better look really great on me for $54 because I'm not, right now, not that in love with it. Next up, I had asked for a jumpsuit because I figured, you know, that's something that I can hang out at home in, or I can go out and, you know, dress it up, dress it down. So she showed me this jumpsuit. And, you know, I saw it, and it wasn't something I immediately loved the pattern on, but I said, you know, I can give it, you know, send it along, give it a try. It's a jumpsuit. It's black with, like, I guess, like, little tan, I would say abstract. I wouldn't even say call them polka dots because they're not round, so, but like a pattern shape. This is, oh, by the way, the Dear John top was an extra small, and the Kaileigh jumpsuit she got me in an extra small petite. Okay, so this is nice, but it's not screaming, oh my gosh, I must have. But I will try it on, and if I like the way it fits, it might change my mind. You know, always try it on, because you never know. So that's one good thing about these boxes, is that in the store, you're like, oh, I don't like that. You don't even try it on. But now that it's being sent to you, you got to try it on and see what it looks like. Next up is, okay, that was called the Rocehelle knit jumpsuit, and that's $58. So not a bad price, I think, for a full outfit. Next up is the Glyder performance jacket in size extra small, and this is $85. Now, I definitely asked her for a jacket to go back and forth in the gym, so she obviously obliged me, so I was pretty excited about that. And here's the jacket. It has 2 zip pockets in front. It has the zip down the front. Nothing really exciting, ordinary about it, except that the back is mesh. Now, I know a lot of people would like this detail. However, I have a very specific purpose I need this jacket for. I go to the gym every morning at 5 a.m. and due to COVID, we have to wait outside to go in. And at 5 in the morning, it's chilly still. So I'm looking for something that I can easily pull off of me, roll up, stick a ball, stick in my locker, but that will keep me moderately warm when I'm standing outside. So the mesh isn't going to do it. Moreover, this is super thin, and I do not see this lasting. If I were to choose between the 2 jackets that I got, the one that was from Nordstrom, the Sweaty Betty, it was $118, or this for $85, I'd much rather pay the $118 for the Sweaty Betty because that was quality material. Even though it wasn't lined, it was quality material. This is so thin. I don't understand why anyone would pay $85 for this. I really don't. So I will try it on, but I can tell you for now, I am not buying this. No matter how good it looks on me, not buying it. It's just too thin, and things like this, I don't get excited about. This is more of a need than a want, and I don't get excited about it, so I have a hard time also justifying the price when it doesn't excite me. I'm sure some of you can relate. All right, next up I actually asked for a new denim jacket. And look at this is brand new, nobody tried this on, the buttons are still covered up. This is by Prosperity, it's a size extra small, and it is the Jolene stretch denim jacket for $68. Now you're gonna be like, Carolyn, you don't have a denim jacket? Okay, I have one from Loft from about 10 years ago that's 3/4 sleeves. So I can't even roll, I can barely roll up the sleeves. So I'm gonna compare the two of them to you, and I'll try this on, and we'll see if this is the jacket for me or not, or maybe I should just stick to the one I have. All right, lastly, this is my surprise item, one that I did not pick because I only picked 4 out of what she chose, is the Lush Damaris wrap blouse in black, size extra small, and it's $42, so not a bad price, not a great price. And one of the things I like about this is that it would not be something I would wear to the office because it's kind of cropped, it's sheer, so I definitely have to wear a cami under it. But this is kind of like, to me, like a going out, hanging out outfit and not like really office appropriate. So at least it doesn't look like the 9 million other blouses already hanging in my closet. It is floral. I'm kind of over floral. I mean, I love floral, don't get me wrong, but it's like I have so much of it. So I'll try this on, and I'll have to see how it fits. It has the cute little flutter sleeves. I really like that. I think that's cute. I like the print. It's just a question of like, do I really want another floral top? And it has a modesty snap in front, but it is a full wrap. So definitely you would need to wear something underneath. And we'll have to see how this lays, because often full wraps, because of my chest, it will pop open, so it's not very attractive. A few of these things I'm going to be trying on with a pair of jeans that I got from Nordstrom's that I'm still debating about. These are the Days Dad jeans in Fool's Gold, I think is called the color. And they're like a wider leg, okay, and have holes at the knees. I do want a wider leg pant. I want something with a different silhouette. I'm tired of the skinnies, as I mentioned earlier. So I want to try these on with this. I tried them on once and I looked in the mirror and I'm like, I don't know about this silhouette on me. So I want to try it and film it, look back at it myself, and also hear your feedback on the side. These were from, again, Nordstrom, and I paid $79. So I'll be right back. Which are the dad jeans from Nordstrom. So not even my Stitch Fix. They're from Nordstrom. I'm not so sure about these jeans. You know, here's the back of them. Classic 5-pocket styling. I did size up in these. These are a size 26. There's very little stretch in them. I think there's like 1% spandex. They're very high-waisted. They're almost to the point where they're digging into my ribs. Not quite. It's well above my belly button. It's probably about a good inch above my belly button. So they're extremely high, at least for me, extremely high rise. You might not be high rise on some of you who are taller, but we gotta remember I'm not even quite 5'2". They're also very long. I will pan down to show you, and you guys can let me know if they're too long or not. All right, I'm wearing my heels, and they're almost at the ground, I think, the pants. So I'm not quite sure about these. I could use your help in deciding what I should keep or I should send them back. Again, I don't have anything like this. This is definitely a different style than I have completely. So I'm open to trying new things. I'm just not sure if this pair is the one for me. All right, next up is the jacket. I like this jacket. It is very, very thin, which is fine by me because this is the type of thing I would wear like going out to dinner in a restaurant, and I need something in the hot summer. So this type of denim jacket thin is fine by me, and there's plenty of stretch in it. It is a little snug when I try and button it. It pulls a little bit, but I never button my jacket. So you can see I can button it. It's not a problem to button it, but it's not exactly laying flat when I button it. But I'm okay with that because I never button my denim jackets, and I'd rather have a good fit elsewhere than have that. And you can see the sleeves are a good length, and I'm not gonna cuff them up because I still got the things on here, but I think I'm leaning towards keeping this. Now I mentioned I have another denim jacket, which I brought down. So I'm trying to justify, it's a completely different wash, right? This is like a medium to dark wash, this is a light wash. And one of the things about this, it only has 3/4 sleeves. So it's fine, but if I ever wear a long sleeve, it becomes a problem. So I think I'm leaning towards keeping the denim jacket. And I believe I said it was $68. I'll have to look. I don't think that's too bad of a price. All right, next up is the Dear John top. All right, you know what? There's nothing wrong with this top. It's a cute top, nothing wrong with it. Do I like it for $54? Yeah, not really. I like it, it's just not a must-have. You know, it has the balloon sleeves, and it's kind of weird. It's not balloon all around. It's almost like on one side, which I'm not so sure I like that. It's almost like they made extra material here, but not over here. It's cute. It's very thin. I don't think it's see-through though. You know, I'll have to look back at the footage and you'd be like, oh yeah, Carolyn, it's see-through. I don't know. But you know, it's just okay. So the top will go back. Verdict is up on the jeans. I still don't know. Jacket is a possibility. Next up, kept on the jeans. And I think I'm beginning to warm up to these jeans, but you're gonna, again, let me know if you think I can do better. I will return them. But as of now, I think I'm leaning towards keeping the jeans. The top, I'm really surprised about. Like I said, when I got it, I said, yeah, you know, it's cute, you know. I don't have anything like this. This is a crop style, but with the high-waisted jeans and the fact that I'm a shorty, it works for me. You can see it doesn't expose my tummy. I did have to wear a cami underneath this top because it is sheer. I chose a coral cami to match the color and the flowers, but honestly, I would do a black cami. So I put it on and I realized, oh, it's not low cut enough. Like, I would do it just because it is a true wrap too. I said, oh, it's really not low cut enough to really expose any color of the cami, so I would do black. I mean, you only see like a little bit of pink poking out. So it makes no sense to do other than black, but I don't have anything like this, and I think I like it. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage. All right, you guys let me know. It's kind of like a cute going out top. It's not a stuffy office blouse, which is pretty much my whole closet. And, you know, I want to have some fun in my life. So let me know what your thoughts on this. It has a cute little, you know, half flutter sleeve. I think it's very cute. So this is a possibility. Let me know, and let me know what you think of it with the jeans. I'm gonna throw on the Glyder jacket. All right. Let's see how this looks on. Like I said, this I know I'm not gonna keep because $85 for this. Are they off the rocker? Maybe 25, you know? So it is like completely mesh in the back, like I can see right through you. And the material itself is really thin. It has the thumb holes, which are cool. Okay. All right, like the thumb holes. And I'll zip it up. You know, it's a good, you know, basic thin jacket, just not worth $85. This is no way near worth $85. So the back is completely mesh. I would be freezing myself off at the gym. All right, so this is the jacket, and this is definitely going back. This was a disappointment. If it was thicker and if it didn't have the mesh, it would have been a possibility. Okay, last item is the Kaileigh jumpsuit that has pockets. You know, it fits nice. The waist is in a good spot for me. We go a little bit above my natural waist, but it's comfortable enough. This is a petite extra small. I'll pan down. It comes full length on me. It's not cropped at all. And again, it's a petite, so I'm imagining it's a good length, all right? It has the spaghetti straps, which I don't mind spaghetti straps. I just hate wearing the dreaded strapless bra, which I have on. And it's actually poking a little bit through here. I like it. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage. I don't think it's anything I love, but you tell me, am I crazy? Am I missing something here? I mean, it's nice. It seems like it's like a very thin, clean material too, so I don't know if it's doing me any justice. It might be showing every little lump and bump. I'd have to see the footage to determine that. Let me know your thoughts. So this is up in the air. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage and see about it. I'm thinking about the Lush top, and I'm thinking about the denim jacket. Let me know what your choices are. Do I have any other things that I may be missing? Thank you again for returning subscribers. Really appreciate your support. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please do. It helps my channel out, it helps me grow, and hopefully eventually I'll get monetized by YouTube. Take care, and until next time.